Hello everyone, welcome to my chemistry channel B.L.Dash short and sweet in chemistry. And this is unknown basic radical 1. How can you do the given salt analysis? Suppose this radical number is 1 and this is a basic radical. And how can you do test? First you will do physical test, then you will do dry test, and after that general procedure for the salt, that is wet test, general procedure. Then we will do the last one, confirm test. One by one we will proceed. Now this is part 7, where the unknown basic radical, the salt is given, which contain one basic radical, one acid radical. You will do physical test first. What is physical test? Color, that is white color, the salt which is given to us, given to me or given to you, and that example, that is white color. Structure, crystalline. Solubility in water. That means first we will do physical test. In physical test 3 points are there: color, structure, solubility. Already it is proved. It is experimentally proved, or it is an eye proof test where color, structure, solubility you can see. Then come to dry test. What is dry test? In dry test so many tests are there, and first very important and first point, that is dry test tube heating, where you will take salt in a dry test tube and heat it strongly. That means very important point, that is you will heat the salt very strongly. And salt is, remember, the given salt, the structure is crystalline and color is white. So you will get here, what you are getting? White residue. White residue means one chance may be Ba plus 2 and Ca plus 2. That means when you heat the salt, and here it is white residue form on strong heating, it may be Ba plus 2, Ca plus 2 and also Sr plus 2. But Ba plus 2 and Sr plus 2, that are very important for the examination point of view. And here next we proceed another dry test, that is what that means. First is, remember, in dry test so many dry tests are there. Number 1 is dry test tube heating, and second one is soda lime test. This soda lime test, you remember that is very important for ammonium salt. When you are doing soda lime test, if it is good positive test, that is ammonia smell is coming from the test tube, and surely it is ammonium. But if there is no ammonia smell, remember, if there is no ammonia smell, that means here ammonium salt is absent. That means NH4 plus is absent. What is the test? Take test tube and salt and earth sodium hydroxide is added and heated strongly. That means no ammonia, so NH4 plus absent. Then what to do? You will proceed to next. If one is absent, then next you will go. Charcoal cavity test. What to do? Salt and sodium carbonate mix and heated in the mixture on the charcoal cavity over the flame. That means in charcoal you will make a cavity, that is called charcoal cavity. Here you will add salt and sodium carbonate in mixture form and heated strongly, that is over the flame. Then what happened here? That means here the important point, charcoal cavity and sodium carbonate, where you take the mixture. And if white residue is formed, so it may be zinc plus 2, Pb plus 2, Mn plus 2 may be absent. That means I told dry test, that is not so important. It is only a guessing test, may or may not. That means if white residue form and these are absent, Zn plus 2 absent, Pb plus 2 absent, Mn plus 2 absent. Then come to cobalt nitrate test. Then Here you will add on the charcoal cavity where a white residue is formed. Remember, in dry test tube heating you are getting white residue, and copper nitrate is added and heated in oxidizing flame and shown to the oxidizing flame. No identified color. That means there is no identified color. You can't find whether yellow, red, green like this. You can't find. That means these are absent. Again, Zn plus 2, Mg plus 2, Al plus 3. Because here you will get some color residue. But here they are absent. No identified color. Then come to flame test. What is flame test? I told before. Platinum wire is taken, deep in concentrated hydrochloric acid, heated strongly. That means you will clean the platinum wire. And after that again deep in concentrated HCl touched to the salt and shown to the flame. That means platinum wire first you will clean by the help of hydrochloric acid strong. Then after that wire dipped in concentrated HCl and salt, then shown to the flame. Here you will very important for one color that has come. That means it may be Ba plus 2. Remember, it is not a confirmed test. Dry test, that is consists of so many tests, all are may be. There is no confirmed test in dry test. Remember, so green flame, green gassy green means light green. Then it is called maybe Ba plus 2. See, out of fifth, that means here fifth group salt here coming Ba plus 2. I told what are the fifth group? Cations, Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2. That means here from the color you can guess. Then borax speed test. Remember, the salt is not colored with salt. Here barium salt never be a color. Barium sulfide, barium carbonate, barium chloride, barium nitrate. No one is color one. That is why here you will see borax bead test. It touches to the salt and color salt is absent. Borax bead test only particularly for the color salt. You can write here, since there is no color salt, so this test is not required. So here you can write here platinum wire is dipped in borax powder, form a bead. Borax bead touched to the salt and shown to the flame. Or here you can write that since salt is not colored, what means salt is not colored, so this test is not necessary. If it is not color, how can you prove that it is borax bead test is necessary? So directly you write, since my salt is not color, so this test is not necessary. Unnecessary you will do the test, and lastly you see this is not color salt, so no color salt is present. So better you write, as my salt is not color. After borax bead test you will proceed to what general procedure for the waste test. You know, in wet test, here how many groups are there? Here first you write here, since my salt, heading you should write borax bead test, and here you have to write, since my salt, because you are doing the test, since my salt is not colored, you remember it is a white salt, so borax bead test is not necessary. Test is, that is sufficient, is not necessary. That means borax bead test not required, because it is not colored. The given salt is not colored. Then come to general procedure for the waste test. Here you will find which group is present. Which group is present by a specific reagent. Then I told how many groups are there? 0 group. then 1 to 6 groups are there. So first you will see, you will make a test for general procedure for the 0 group. So it is the 0 group, whether it is absent or present you will see. Then you will see what is the radical of the 0 group, only ammonium plus ammonium ion. So you will take salt solution, because it is for wet test, so you should take salt solution. And added NaOH heated. NaOH means sodium hydroxide. And here, since the salt is not ammonium, so no ammonia smell is evolved. Then what is inference? That means 0 group is absent or NH4 plus absent. Then where you will go? If group 0 absent, then you will go to group 1. Here group 1. What is the group 1 reagent? Here you should remember what is the reagent. Here you will solve solution. To the salt solution, you will add dilute hydrochloric acid. And what is observation? In observation, you should get, if it is positive test, you should get white precipitate. Since there is no white precipitate, then what happened? Here group 1 absent. What are the radicals? Pb plus 2, Ag plus 1 of group 1 absent. If first group is absent, then where you will go? We will go to group 2. See group 2. Group 2, what you will do? The same salt solution where dilute hydrochloric acid is added, you pass H2S gas. If H2S gas pass, if group 2 that is negative, that are absent, the radicals are absent, so here no color precipitate is obtained. That means for if copper plus 2, Pb plus 2, S plus 3 present, then only you can say that is group 2 present, color precipitate obtained. But since there is no color, that is why group 2 absent. After group 2, where you will go? Group 2 absent. You will go to group 3rd. Group 3. Here, what you will add to the salt solution? Ammonium chloride, that is solid, ammonium hydroxide, that is solution form, aqueous solution form. Here also no precipitate is formed. No precipitate mean what to do? You will proceed to 4th group. 0 group absent, then to first group. First group absent, then go to second group. And second group absent, then you will go to third group. In third group also no precipitate. Similarly, 4th group, what are the radicals of 4th group? Zn plus 2, Mn plus 2, Ni plus 2 and CO plus 2. Here also after passing H2S gas, no precipitate form. That means 4th group also absent. 0 to 4th, all groups are absent by observing color of the precipitate, color of the solution, and particularly following the particular reaction, specific reagent for the specific group. Then it comes to 5th group. Here we will proceed to 5th group. 5th group, that is may be present. Then how may be present? White precipitate is formed. Then why white precipitate formed? Because here solid ammonium chloride, ammonium hydroxide, ammonium carbonate solution is added to the test tube, where the test tube contains salt solution. Then what happens? If it is white precipitate, that means 5th group may be. What are the radicals of 5th group? Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, Ca plus 2 may be. Now question is, it may be 1 only, not 3. Then we will find 1 by 1 by the confirm test. Ba plus 2 first you will proceed. If it is not satisfied, it has a negative result, then you proceed to Sr plus 2. If there is also negative result that is not satisfied by any test, then you will proceed to Ca plus 2 ion, Ca plus 2 radical. Then you will proceed. How we will proceed to 5th group analysis, confirm test. Remember, first tests are done Ba plus 2. If absent, you should remember here. Then you may write this one or not, that is not you will write, then it depends on you. But remember here Ba plus 2, Sr plus 2, then come to Ca plus 2. Then confirm test for Confirm test for what? Ba plus 2. Dissolve the white precipitate in hot acidic solution. Acetic acid you add to the precipitate. Clear solution is formed. You will divide the solution into 3 parts. First part for barium plus 2. Second part Sr plus 2. Third part Ca plus 2. But you should remember, first you will do Ba plus 2. If Ba plus 2 you are doing test, then what to do? To the salt solution, to part 1. You are doing how many part? 3 parts. To part 1 solution, here potassium chromate is added. Potassium chromate, that is soluble in water. Potassium chromate, that is called potassium chromate solution. Yellow PPT form. This is very positive test, very important test. And here flame test is done with dry yellow. Now this yellow precipitate you take and dry it and do the flame test. I told flame test mean what to do? Platinum wire dipped in concentrated HCl repeatedly and shown to the flame, and after that it is shown to the touched to the salt and shown to the this yellow precipitate gives greenish flame. So it is Ba plus 2 confirmed. So if one cation is confirmed serial wise, Ba plus 2 confirmed, then there is no necessity to do Sr plus 2 and Ca plus 2 test. Then what happened? You are sure that you are radical, you are cation, that is Ba plus 2. So you can write, last line you should write, so my basic radical is Ba plus 2. Remember, I told here analysis of fifth group, that one you will write, but first tests are done Ba plus 2, if absent Sr plus 2, if absent Ca plus 2, don't write in unknown acidical analysis. It is to be understood. One should understand the yes, what type of test I will do, after one, what test will come and what test will remain, all the things should be clear in mind. So here Ba plus 2 confirm. Now I hope my channel that is clear to you, how to do the unknown basic radical step by step, where you get the positive result, there only you stops in confirm test.